Hello everyone. Based on the previous concepts understood, we'll see with one more program, that is on switch statement. It's basically developing a simple calculator for only binary operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So the requirement is that you have to read two values from the keyboard. Obviously, all of these are binary operators. Binary operators. By binary, you mean they need two operands. They operate on two operands. Okay. For example, A plus B. A and B are operands. It requires two operands to operate on. Similarly, A into B. This is also a binary operator. You also have one more operator, that is modulus. Divide by 0 should be handled with appropriate message. Whenever we are making use of a division operator, the denominator should not be equal to 0. This cannot be 0. Okay. So if at all it is 0, you have to display an appropriate message to the user. Now, handling modulus operator for floating point numbers. Modulus operator, it basically operates only on integer operands. Now, if at all you want modulus to operate on even floating point numbers, then you have to perform something called as typecasting. I have discussed this in my other videos. Please have a look at it and then you can understand this program better. Okay. Now, since you have multiple options among which the user has to choose one option, this can be designed using a multi-way construct that is provided by C language, like else if construct, or you can make use of switch. Okay, so how will the program go? We'll just have a look at the program. So this is the program statement. Again, in order to terminate the program, I'll be making use of exit 0 function, which is defined in stdlib.h. Declare the variables a, b, result and the choice. Ask the user to enter the two numbers and read them in A and B. As I told you before, this is a menu-based program. Display the menu to the user: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 division, 5 modulus and 6 for exit. Ask the user to enter his choice and read that choice. Now you will be passing this choice to the switch case. Okay, now depending upon this value of choice, you will be executing any one of the case. If the user has entered 2, right, there'll be a match with this particular label. Again, I would recommend you to go back to the switch case video of mine. Have a look at the syntax and how do you write this case and label, and then come back and understand this program. That will be really effective. Compute the result. Okay. Then print the result. Subtraction of A and B is equal to this, right? Similarly, for multiplication also. Now, for case 4, that is division, if the other operand B is equal to 0, now you have to display that denominator cannot be 0 and have a break. Again, break statement will get the control outside this switch block.
If it is a
if the user has entered 5, right, you will perform a modulus operation, display the result and come out. Here I have not made use of a default, okay, but however you can have a default here also by having an exit 0. We'll just run this code and look at how it operates. Enter two numbers, 2 and 3. Okay, so I will have the menu displayed in front of me. I will enter the choice as 2. Subtraction of 2 and 3 is -1. Run it once again. For division, 2 and 0. I'll opt for division. Denominator cannot be 0. Okay, run it once again. Okay, enter two numbers, 8 and 9. Multiplication, that will give me 72. Okay, so it's always required for you to test the programs appropriately. Thank you for watching.